What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Multiverse Core Multiverse portals using World Edit. So what Multiverse Core does is it lets you have multiple worlds on a single server, and Multiverse portals can allow you to create, well, it's kind of another portal, but you can walk into it and it'll bring you to the other world or wherever you set the destination. It can be on the same world. But to do this, you need to make sure that you have Multiverse Core, Multiverse portals, and World Edit plugins installed onto your server. So first I'm going to show you guys a demonstration of what the portals can do. So for this one, all you have to do is walk into this space and it's going to take you to my other world, which is, in my case, it's a survival world, where you can just go and play normal survival on the server. And you can create two-way portals to where you can walk back to the same spot. In this case, I only had it one way because I have the hub, Multiverse hub installed, so you can just do /hub to go back. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually make the portals, but first what you need to do is have a world to send the portal to. With this, you're going to use the plugin Multiverse Core. It's a simple command to create the world. The command is /mv create, and then it's going to be the name of the world that you want to do. So I'm just going to do all lowercase test, and then I'm going to say what type of world I want it to be. Do I want it to be a normal world, a nether world, or an end world? In my case, I'm just going to do a normal world because it's probably what most of you guys are going to be doing. Now once you do that, it's going to start creating the world. This could take 10 to 20 seconds. It's going to show you two messages. The first one is going to be showing that it's creating the world. The second one is going to be showing that it's complete. And once it is done, now that I have the message complete, just do /mv tp and then the name of your character and then the name of the world you want to go to. In my case, it was all lowercase test. Now once I hit enter, it's going to send me straight to the world. And I can just make sure if that's what I want. And it's a normal world, just a basic one. Just go back, just do the same command. Just make sure it's the name of the first world that you had. So mine was named Spawn. Now, it's going to take me down to the ground because that's where the actual spawn is, but I have also /hub to bring back up. So, if you do not know the name of your first world, you can do /mv list, and that'll show you a list of all the worlds you have created. And with process of elimination, you'll know which one is the main one. So now what you want to do is you're going to want to create the portals. Now how I create the portals, I use World Edit. And so to do that, once you have it installed, do /wand. And what this will allow you to do is select the margin where you want the actual portal to be. So to make the portal, all you need is just a simple square. Square is what the actual shape of the portal is going to be. But if you don't want it to actually be a square, you can build around it, but the actual portal itself is going to be a square. So I'm going to build this one out of stone. So build it in the shape you want. In this case, I'm just going to use a regular square. You're going to click in each corner of where you want the portal to be. It's going to show first position and second position selected. And then what you can do is this simple command to actually create a portal in that space. The command is /mvp create, and then you're going to do the name of your portal. So I'm going to do test_a, and then I'm going to have test b in the other world. So once you do that, it's going to say new portal created with the name, and it is selected. And I'll explain what selected means once you actually modify the destination of these portals. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to teleport over to my other world. And again, there's the command and then the name of the world. Once you do that, it'll take you right here. And every time I have to change my game mode, but you can change default game mode so that whenever you get here, you are in creative mode for when you are building the portals. So I'm going to do the exact same shape. Again, it doesn't matter, it just needs to be a square space for the actual portal spot itself. And I'm going to do the exact same thing where I'm going to select one corner and then select the other corner. And now what I'm going to do is the same command, /mvp create, the name of the portal, so in this case I'm going to do test_b, and then hit enter. So now you have two portals created, test B and test A. So now, as you see, it says I've selected test B. So now, since I've selected test B, that means I can change the destination of test B. And so the command to change the destination is /mvp modify dst for destination p and then the name of the portal that you want it to go to. So in this case, it's going to be test A. So now it says that the destination for test B has been set to test A. So now what I want to do is select test A to make sure that whenever I walk through test A, it brings me to test B. So what I want to do is slash MVP select test A. So now I've selected the portal that is over on the other world, and I can set the destination to this portal here. So do the exact same command, slash MVP modify DST P colon and then the name of the portal that you want that one to go to. Once that is done, I can now walk both directions through both of the portals and it will bring me to the other. So as I go through this portal, it's going to bring me to test A, as you see. And then I can just walk through test A, and it will bring me to test B. It's a super simple and easy process, but if you have any difficulty, you can just write down in the comments and I'll try and help you guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys are able to get this to work on your servers.